Hey guys, here's part 3, which statement correctly compares the values of 34 times 10 and 34 times 10 to the fourth. Once again, it's comparing, so I'm going to have to look at the difference between the two of them. So what I like to do is I like to write it down. I'm a very visual learner. I need to see the difference in order for me to be able to do it. So I like to start with 34 times 10. I'm only moving it to one spot. It's basically 10. Anything times 10 is 10 to the first power. So I'm going to be moving it. When I know that when I have a whole number, my decimal is at the end of my whole number, and I'm going to be adding my 0. So 34 times 10 is really 340. And 34 times to the fourth, I'm going to be starting, here's my decimal. Once again, it's at the end of the number. I'm going to be moving it 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes it 340,000. Then I like to look at the difference between them. This one lines up with this one lines up with this one lines with this one, but in reality there's 3 zeros here. So let's see what that looks like. This is saying 34 times 10 to the fourth is 10,000 times larger than 34 times 10. Well, how many zeros is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, but I only have a difference of 3, so that can't possibly be the answer. 34 times 10 to the fourth is 1,000 times larger than 34 times 10. How many zeros is there again? 1, 2, 3. How many zeros is there a difference of? 1, 2, 3. That's a possibility, but I'm not going to rule out that answer just yet. And then you have 34 times 4 is 4 times larger than 34 times 10. 4 times larger, am I multiplying it by 4? It's not giving me physically enough information. Yes, I can understand why you're saying it's 4 times larger because of this 4 and this doesn't have a 4. That's not what it means. 4 times larger is basically taking that number times 4 instead of 34 times 3,400. And 34 times 10 to the fourth is 3 times larger. Once again, this 3, it's still, yes, it is 3 times larger because there's 3 more zeros, but that's not giving the correct indication. So I'm going to roll up these two, and the answer to number 4 is B.